All right, we took this trade in Asian session. Let's break it down. So basically, we took this trade on our research account. It was not an A plus setup. That's why we are synthesizing our data. It was fake out on 15-minute time frame. If we could have like a fake out on 30-minute time frame, then it was A plus setup, and we could have took it on our live account too. So let's break this down. Now basically, starting with the daily time frame, we have just daily opened at Asian session and the market just moved up. We were respecting this previous daily high and we have filled this whole week. So I was thinking, if we have filled this whole week and we have respected this daily high, now there is a high chance that we're gonna like respect this high and move down again. And let's look at 4-hour time frame. So basically, this was our 4-hour time frame, and on 4-hour time frame we have grabbed the lower pack, and now we're the price just ripping up, and we have respected this daily high, and we have this zone right here. Maybe the 4-hour gonna close below this zone right here. So it was kind of risky trade because the 4-hour was pretty bullish. And looking at the hourly time frame, this was our hourly time frame, and on hourly time frame we have this rejection area right here, and the market was failed to close above this rejection area, and we have this rejection wick at the top, and the market was kind of bearish at lower time frame. So we think that if the market can fill this wick and move down, we have a high chance that the market gonna melt from here. So let's see on 30-minute time frame. So basically, we have this rejection area on 30-minute time frame, and on the 30-minute time frame, if we could close below this area, the next candle gonna break this low and melt and filling this whole range right here, because we are pretty bullish and overextended. Let's look at 15-minute time frame. So basically, our trade was 15-minute fake out. We were kind of overextended on 30-minute. This was our rejection area, and on 15-minute market closed below this point, and 15-minute time frame we didn't took our entry right here because we were still above the 30-minute rejection area. That's why I wanted to wait, and the next candle tried to fill this wick, and when it got melted and closed bearish on 15-minute time frame, I plan to took my entry right here. So I took the entry without the steeper rejection wick, and my stop loss was somewhere around here, and the TP was around this area. So let's see our execution, how this trade played out. Alright, so we got enter here, and after hitting our order, the market provided a cheaper rejection wick to the current candle, and then flip. So that's why demand didn't do anything, and on the next candle the market was kind of mixed and failed to broke this low on 30-minute time frame. And if the market could have broke this low on 30-minute time frame, we could have entered more, and we could have this on our live account too, because it was fake out on 30-minute time frame. The high expected, and the market can fill this whole range. Our breaking point was somewhere around here at this wick fill, and our full tick was at this area. And if we could break this low on 30-minute time frame, then it was a good confirmation. Otherwise, we were also open for range to kind of buy, but the market but this trade just occurred in late session, so that's why we didn't took any after that. So let's see it's gonna play out. So this 15 minutes closed like weak bullish, kind of bullish. Maybe it hasn't got the previous, but it's respecting this previous high. That's why we want to remain in the trade, and it has just hunted the low. I remain in the trade. I have closed this trade right here, but then I wait to see if this 30 minutes gonna get the high. So that's why I remained open, and it's after it just got up, kind of range to, and also hunt the daily high too. So let's see this trade. This was on our research account, and this was fake out on 15-minute time frame. The entry was break of previous high low. Let me attach it back. The entry was break of previous high low. We have respected our 5-minute rule. Our break even wasn't achieved, which was at wick fill, and the main condition was we were respecting just daily high. Maybe if we could have more confirmation, like 4-hour exhausted or 1-hour closure, strong bearish closure, maybe it could have entered confirmation in our trade. So our execution was A, and mistake was we were against the trend. So against the trend we need more confirmation. That's why I didn't took this trade on my live account and synthesize the data. So it was kind of B setup. Our risk was normal, and our stop was at previous high low, and we didn't hit our target, and that's it. That was the trade in the Tokyo session. So that's all.